Check out the divisions. You got your classic rods, your imports, special construction, diesel trucks, rocket-powered cars. It's crazy.
Oh no, Snotrod! He's gonna blow! Gesundheit! Hey, yo, DJ! What up? We got ourselves a nodder! Pretty music.
Again, old man.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me. But I wouldn't worry about it, because I didn't do it!
Piston Cup officials have determined that a tiebreaker race between the three leaders will be held in California in 1 week.
Well, thank you. Thanks to all of you out there. Thank you.
Hey, Rook, first one to California gets Dinoco all to himself.
Ah! No, not me. No, you rock. And you know... What's the thunder? You want thunder? You're thunder! Ka-chiga! Ka-chiga! Ka-chiga!
Well, I sure can respect that. Still, you know, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Look at that boy go out there!
California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise.
Ramone, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well then, let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Change out, man. Ramone will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Oh, honey, look, Von Dutch.
Cup. Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston Cup?
Good luck in your last race. You sure been an inspiration to me.
Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.
Hey, be careful out there, okay?
Yeah, man. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say, ciao. You're gonna fit right in California. Oh my goodness, it looks like you've helped everybody in town.
Yeah, everybody except one. Hey, is it getting dark out?
What? What did he say?
Let me say that again. Is it getting dark out?
Okay, McMissile, I'm here. It's time for the drop.
This is valuable equipment. Make sure it is properly secured for the voyage.
You got it.
Hey, Professor Z! This is one of those British spies we told you about.
Yeah, this one we caught sticking.
He was able to get a photo of the car who's running the entire operation.
Great. Well, who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here to...
Number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki!
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't... There's smoke on the casino bridge!
Oh, no! It's Carla Veloso, the Brazilian race car.
About to begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
You
ferraille! Electroshock! Are you kidding me?
Easy, Tombe. This is her first field assignment. She didn't know you were my informant.
Informant?
A rookie, huh? I never liked new car smell.
Tombe was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we get it. You both know each other. You're both old. So, there you go, informant.
Just passing through?
Actually, I thought I'd stop and stay a while. I hear this place is back on the map.
It is?
Yeah, there's some rumor floating around that some hotshot piston cup race car is setting up his big racing headquarters here.
Really? Oh, well, there goes the town.
You know, I really missed you, Sally.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the train. K-I-S-S, I-N-K.
This just in. Rookie Jackson Storm slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen. Oh, I couldn't have enjoyed it more if I'd beaten McQueen myself. Oh, wait, I have.
Hey, champ! Where the... Wait, you're not Bobby. Name's Danny, bro.
You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right? I love this guy. I think I touched a nerve.
Thanks, Smokey.
Now, go make Hud proud.
You got it.
Well, it won't be enough to catch Storm.
Considering he started dead last?
Tried slamming him into the wall. But Hud never touched any wall, unless he wanted to.
Old school.
Trying something new. I like it.
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief,